Hey guys, this is Ricardo, the Superman of Real Estate, and this is another episode of MTV Cribs. Let's go check this one out. Just kidding, guys. Hey, it's Ricardo. Today we have a very cool house I want to show you guys. It's actually on the southwest part of the Las Vegas Valley. That is where we're originally from, and it is 6315 Bellisima Street. This home boasts with 4,700 square feet of a living area, and then you also have a half acre. And guess what, guys? No HOA. You do have a private gate to enter into the little cul-de-sac here. All these homes here are over 1 million, and just want to go check it out. Follow me, guys. Hey guys, I do want to give a special shout out to Tyler Hubbs with Galindo Group Real Estate. This is actually one of his flips, and I had the privilege to be able to do a video on one of his homes. So Tyler, thank you, brother. I appreciate the love. All right, guys, so before we go in, I actually want to talk about this. So not even entering the home and you already have a piece of luxury, a super nice glass door, and you actually open it towards the inside of it. This is commercial grade. I mean, you can't get better than this. Completely glass door. You can get a bunch of natural light with these type of doors. So let's go in, guys. Welcome to my crib, guys. So now we're actually going to be going over to the little office or little den area. I love that Tyler actually matched all of the barn doors throughout the whole home. Pretty cool feature. Gives a little modern taste to it. Let's go ahead and go to the office. So as soon as you walk in, so the office is conveniently located directly after the main entrance to your left. That way you don't have to have clients go all the way to inside the house. You may want to invite them later, who knows. But we do have the quartz countertops on top over here. You have the black cabinets on the bottom. And I like the little, the gold finishes, the gold handles throughout the whole home. Actually gives it a pretty cool little taste. Another cool feature, you can see all of the wood that's being used here, the wood accents, and also the waterproof laminate. And as you can see, that it has a humongous baseboard. I think it's about a 6.5-inch baseboard. I think even 8 inches of a baseboard. So humongous baseboard, waterproof laminate flooring here. But yeah, this is the office, guys. Right now, we're actually sitting in the open living room area. Actually, in front of me, we're gonna show you the centerpiece of this whole living room, which is actually the fireplace. It's a gas fireplace. And I love that you do have the wooden beams in this open living area as well. But the best part about this room is actually right behind me, that little Harry Potter room in the back. Welcome to my room. This is called the Harry Potter room. So this room actually goes around and wraps around the back. Just thought it'd be funny to show you guys what I call the Harry Potter room. Right here we have the wine area. Just imagine coming home with some friends, and you can show off your expensive taste in wine. You pop out a bottle, and then you can come and sit down and have a relaxing night with your friends. But just wanted to show you guys that you do have room for all your expensive wines. Guys, welcome to the kitchen. One of my favorite parts about the house is actually the kitchen right here. And what's eye-catching about this is as soon as you walk in, you have what's called the waterfall countertops. So as you can see, it comes down from here all the way down. It actually makes a table, a quartz table, and then it goes to the back and then waterfalls down again. So this is what's called the waterfall countertop. They use quartz countertops right here. As you can see some of the dashes, the gray dashes here. And it has a little hint of gold dashes as well that makes a perfect combination with the handles in the cabinets over here. So it has the gold handles over here. White elegant shaker cabinets, quartz countertops. So actually, guys, the countertops is actually the second favorite part about this kitchen. There is another part that I actually want to show you guys. but it's gonna be towards the end. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, check out this humongous fridge. It's over 6 feet wide. You can fit food for like 50 people. JK, who knows, maybe a little bit less. But cool part about this is actually what's inside. Let me show you. Right here, guys. Someone had a party last night. All right, guys, another thing I want to talk about is actually the appliances. So the appliances are all KitchenAid brand. So KitchenAid is a pretty good commercial grade appliances. Right behind me, you can see that there is a microwave, and then right under the microwave, you have the you also have the oven. So you actually have 2 ovens in this home in case you guys have family over, or you guys are cooking a family meal. You have room to be able to cook for the whole family. Here's the other oven, and then you also have the burners up top. You have the middle burner as well. So just a lot of room so you guys can be cooking homemade dinners. Hey guys, so this is my favorite part of the house. It actually reminds me of what's called a speakeasy. Let's check it out. This actually reminds me like a half butler's kitchen, but it has no stove, so I would call it an oversized food pantry with a sink and also with a dishwasher. But what's catching my eye from here is actually the half basketball court right over there in the backyard. So let's go check out the backyard, guys. So guys, this is a humongous sliding door, 24-foot sliding door that actually leads from the kitchen and living room area over to the backyard or the covered patio. And as you can hear in the background, you can actually hear the water falling from the spa over to the pool area. So let's check it out, guys. All right, guys, so welcome to the pool area. Right over here in front of me, we actually have a fire pit. But then we also have right next to it, we have the pool. Above the pool, there is another level, as you can see over here, where the water is falling from. You have the spa area. And then I don't know what that is. It actually looks like a little kids area that kids can play in. That's not too deep. But perfect entertainment area for parties. Backyard is perfect for entertainment, guys. So let's show you around. Okay, guys, so this over here is actually a brick oven. Chicago brick oven. Some of my other friends would call it a pizza oven, where you can actually make your pizza, your homemade pizza here, or your breads. And then right on that side, we actually have the barbecue area where you can be flipping the burgers, talking with friends. So all this home completely is made for entertainment, just entertainment all around. And then you also have a wood burning fireplace right in the middle, so you can make a humongous fire and just have friends and gather around here. All right, guys, so if you guys didn't know, basketball used to be one of my favorite sports back in the day when I was a teenager. But let's see if we still got it. Shoot that one again. Hold on, one more. So after having a little basketball workout, it's time to go to sleep. Just kidding, guys. So this is actually the master bedroom. This house has a total of 4 bedrooms. So this is the master. And as you can see, you have the lovely electrical fireplace right here. And don't get me wrong, they are electric, but they still produce heat. They still help you keep warm if you want to be cozy with your significant other in the master bedroom. I also love this action wall over here. So what they do is just a wall, but they put this trim or this wood trim, and then just makes it pop, makes it like the centerpiece of the bedroom. So pretty cool little spot over here. And right over here you have the balcony. So under this you have the 20-foot door, sliding door, glass door, and this is actually right above it. So right above it you do have your own private balcony. that actually overlooks over to the west side area of Las Vegas. So yeah, this is the balcony area. So after a long day of working out or a long day of work, you can come in here and relax in your own tub. You can enjoy the heat, relaxing heat of the electrical fireplace as well. But this is a humongous master bathroom. You do have separate his and her areas, sinks. Hers area actually has a vanity spot, and then you have a humongous shower that you can fit like 20 people in there. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so as you can see, you actually have 3 shower heads, not 2, but 3 shower heads. And this shower head over here actually has the handheld. So in case you want to sit down and relax, you don't feel like standing up, you can grab the handheld shower head and shower yourself. But like I said, you could fit about 15 to 20 people in here. Not sure why you would want to have that many people in here. But if it's just you and your spouse, then you have a bunch of room, guys. All right, guys, so welcome to the end of our video. We just wanted to give you a shout out again to Tyler Hubs. Thank you for letting me do a home tour on your property, on your flip. Guys, if you guys have any suggestions for me, if you think I should be more funny, if I should collaborate more on my videos, go ahead and give me a comment below. Give me any suggestions, any ideas on stuff that I should improve on. And then also don't forget to like our video as well so it can help the YouTube algorithm. And then go ahead and, guys, show some love finally and subscribe to our channel where we talk real estate, life, and entrepreneurship. This is the Superman of Real Estate, and we'll see you next time.